Ever seen students zoning out in class? Struggling to focus on studies? Science says it's not their fault. But the fix is simple. From social media overload to poor sleep and even nutrition, students today are bombarded with distractions. The brain's attention span is shrinking. But here's the game changer. Neuroscientists say focus is like a muscle, train it, and it gets stronger. Here's how. The Pomodoro technique: study for 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break. Boosts retention by 60%. Active learning: writing, teaching others, and engaging helps store info faster. The 2-minute rule: if a task takes 2 minutes, do it now. Trains discipline focus. Digital detox: reduce blue light exposure before bed to improve memory. Schools that implement these techniques report higher student performance, lower stress levels. Want to transform student focus in your school? Join the True Topper movement today. Let's shape brighter minds together.